Well, here we are, a year into COVID, and who would have thought we'd be having conversations like this? So many people are working from home, vehicles are sitting in the garage not being used. We've had quite a few customers ask, is there anything I should be concerned about or worry about when my car sits? And there are a few top things. Your biggest one's your battery. It's constantly has a drain to it, so not uncommon to have a dead battery. The fact that your car is not being used or driven, you've got a lubrication issue where internal engine parts, transmission parts aren't getting lubricated like they should. Condensation, rust, even your fuel. So we suggest the car be driven at least 3 times a month. And we have people say, well, I start it up and let it idle for 10 minutes. That really doesn't do enough to get the engine up to operating temperature. That allows it to get warm, then cool down, then you have condensation in your exhaust, your oil, which can cause damage. So 3 times a month, take it out for a 10 to 15 minute drive, get it up to speeds over 50 miles an hour, and that should keep you in good shape. But if you have any question, always ask your trusted professional. GNC Tire and Auto Service is here for you. You can call us or stop by. We'll gladly help you with those questions. Probably the last thing out of those is we've seen more pest damage. We've seen it in the past, but with cars sitting, your car potentially could be a great home for a rodent, mouse, squirrel. Keep that in mind. They do cause a lot of damage. We also have suggestions on that too. Thanks for checking us out. This is the first of Tailgate Talk. Thank you.